This is absolutely the best travel hack I've discovered so far. Coming in a nice packaging and several sizes, these compressive cubes help me not only to reduce the volume of my clothes, but to keep everything neat and organized. The material is high quality and very resistant. I will show you now how exactly I pack my cubes, see how they double the size once you open them. I just start preparing the right measurement. I try to fit perfectly the clothes inside the cube, so I measure with my fingers and then I kind of fold the clothes so they would stay flat inside the cube. This prevents them from wrinkles and just helps them to be very neat and clean. I kind of have in my mind what I want to put into cubes all the time, and this time I decided to make a cube completely full of pants. In fact, I do have 3 pairs of jeans and 1 simple black pant. And now I'm gonna finally show you guys how the compressor feature works. First of all, I have to create a slight pattern with my fingers so the zipper goes easily. And now I'm gonna close in all 4 sides and see how the size reduces, like it double reduces. It's just impressive. Can you believe that here I have 4 pants, 3 jeans and 1 pant? This is simply unbelievable. And now I have to finish my packing, so I'm gonna proceed with the second cube. I decided to take some pullovers, some little sweaters, because the weather might be rough, so I'm just gonna pack them. And I realized while packing that I do have still some space. Why not? I just decided to put some socks in it and my nice scarf into it, and I'm just gonna repeat the same procedure, closing the zipper, helping it with my fingers, so it makes it easier. And can you guys believe that here I do have 3 sweaters? I'm gonna keep going with the next and the next cube. See how cute they are. They're so beautiful. They look super neat, super clean. Now I'm ready for the next one. Honestly, I thought this cube was gonna be very small, but then I was like, let's give it a try and put just my t-shirts in there. And honestly, this was a great discovery because it looked very small to me, but once I opened, I realized it can really have the capacity to have 4 or 5 t-shirts in it. And just like see how simply I close it, and now it becomes so small. It's so amazing, so cute. This is really something that here I managed to fit 4 t-shirts. See, it's like the size of my hand, slightly bigger. I'm just gonna continue with my sports clothes and I'm gonna put here my shoes. Yeah, see, and I'm ready to pack my bag. Inside my bag, I decided to squeeze the 2 bigger cubes on one side and to put my underwear, which I packed in another cube just in between, and on the other side I'm gonna put the shoes and my sports clothes, and I still have plenty of space. Honestly, these cubes made my life so much easier. The name of this brand is COR Surf, and I'm never traveling ever again without them. Bye, I'm ready to go.